Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Welcome to 38 North Lake Avenue in the village of Bergen. This is a Richie Rich special. So let's take a tour. This turn-of-the-century Victorian multifamily property is on approximately 3/4 of an acre. Plus you have an outbuilding too. It needs TLC, however it has great potential. Just imagine the possibilities and the cash cow rental revenue that it could generate for you. Here we are in the village of Bergen. This charming community has restaurants, shops, and nearby public parks, with easy access to Rochester and all of Western New York. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this Richie Rich special at 38 North Lake Avenue in the village of Bergen. This is Rich Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Cheers to living here.